Hi, madam. Are you new in this colony?
Yeah, we have come before 3 days. My husband has been transferred from Kotak.
What is your husband?
He works as a senior engineer. What about you?
He is the head clerk in the office. I am a teacher. Do you work?
No, I am a homemaker. But I write articles. How many kids do you have, madam?
I have only one son, and he studies in class 10th. What about yours?
My daughter is in class 9th and son is in 8th. 2 children. What is your name?
Divyashri Mahanti. You may call me Divya. And your name?
Rachika Padnayak.
It is time for school, madam. I have to go. Meet you later.
Yeah, madam. It is nice talking with you. Please come to our house whenever you are free. I feel lonely.
I am so happy getting a good neighbor like you. You too visit our house in your free hours.
Yeah, sure. Bye then. You are getting late for school.
Bye.